Hi guys, so today I am filming a Meatza, which is a mince based pizza. So lean mince. I put onion granules through it, some Italian herbs, garlic powder and paprika. Now for the messy bit. I really hate doing this bit. Not gonna lie, peeps, this is disgusting. Ooh. Might need another egg. So you slap it on. It's my technical term of slapping the meat. And then you just spread it out. You can have it round like a pizza if you want to. But because this is a square tray, you want it to be thin. Okay guys, once you have levelled this all out, you want to pop it in the oven at 180. Fan assisted ovens I would do 160 for around 10 minutes. If, depending on the thickness of your base, you might need to do another 5 to 7 minutes on top of that. But yeah, I'm going to put it in the oven now. I'll be back with you in a second. So guys, even though this is 5%, there's still always a little bit of juice from the meat. So now I'm just going to add some tomato puree for a base. Guys, the cheese is as much as you like. Like, I've not weighed this out or anything like that, but we like ours quite cheesy with mozzarella. And then I pop it back in the oven for 3 minutes to melt the cheese a little bit, and then I put the toppings on. Okay guys, so on one side I'm going to add tomato, onion, mushroom and pepperoni. And then I'm just going to put a little sprinkling of cheese over this. Literally like that. And then it goes back in again for another 2 minutes. Okay guys, so I ended up leaving it in an extra 3 minutes on top of the 2 minutes I'd already said. So now I'm adding more cheese. Making sure everything is to par. And then I'm adding pepperoni. And then I pop that back in the oven until the pepperoni is sort of crispy on the edges. Okay guys, I've taken it out now. Pepperoni's a little bit crispy around the edges. Yeah, so I'm gonna dish this up and then we'll show you it again in a second.